Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Windows 10 on your laptop or PC. So if the video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. One subscribe is $100 donation for me. So let's start the video. First you need to open any browser on your computer. I open Google Chrome and search for Windows 10. Hopefully the first link is the from official site microsoft.com. Just click on this link and here you can see some interface like this. Here is the option download tool. Now this is not download option. You don't need to download this because this is a media creation tool. We need to download direct the ISO file. So just click on right three dot corner, then more tools, then developer mode, and here you can see some options. Then again here is a three dot option, then click again more tools and network conditions. Then here is the option you can see here, select automatically, just uncheck it. Then this is some options you can find. Select Chrome Android mobile and refresh the page, close it, and here you can see the page has been refreshed and interface has been changed. And here you need to select the edition by selecting this. Click on Windows 10, click on confirm, and here you need to select the product language. Click on confirm, and here is need to wait for a few seconds. And here you can see now what architecture you want to download, 32-bit or 64-bit. I need 64-bit, so click on it, and here you can see start download option appeared. I am using internet download manager, so my interface like this. You can see different interface. Just click on download and download has been started. So I hope this video has been helpful for you.